press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students. So today let us continue with exercise 14.2, fourth one. Okay. So today I plan to do fourth one and fifth one. By this I think we can finish this exercise, and sixth one will be for homework. Okay. Same method you can follow. So fourth one, the following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and the mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. See, we did once first one. So we have to interpret the results. So definitely they will ask this type of question, that they will ask you to interpret the results. So for this sum we have to find both mode and also the mean. So first let us find out the mode there. So number of students per teacher, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. Next, number of states or union territories. Okay. 3, 8, 9, 10. 3, 0, 0, 2. So we know, okay, they have not given the frequency here. So let us find out. Now first let us find out the mode. Okay, so mode means you all know the maximum frequency. So here which is having the maximum frequency? So find out which is having the maximum frequency. 10 is having the maximum frequency. So modal class is 30 to 35, correct? And let us write here F1, and this is F0, this is F2. Okay. So the frequency of the preceding class, of the modal class, the frequency of the class that is preceding the modal class is 25 to 30, and the corresponding frequency is 9. So this will be our F0, and this is the succeeding modal class, succeeding of the modal class. The class which is succeeding the modal class is 35 to 40. So the corresponding frequency is 3 here. So this will be the F2. Okay. Now let us write the formula first. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 to F1 minus 0 minus F2 into H. Okay. Now, so here modal class, is 30 to 35. Therefore L is 30, lower limit of the modal class. Then F1 is 10, F0 is 9, then F2 is 3. I hope you understood all this. So this will be the F1, F0 and F2. And what else? H is the width of the class interval. See here 5, 20, 15, 20 minus 15, 5. So let us substitute all the values here for this. L lower limit is 30, plus F1. F1 is 10 minus 9, 2 into F1, so 20 I will write. F0 is 9 minus F2 is 3 into H is 5. 1 by 20 minus, see here 20 and this is plus 20 and here minus 12. Okay, so it will be 8 plus 8 into 5. So here 30 plus 5 by 8. So 30 plus 5 by 8. Okay. Now how will you divide this? 8.068 are 8 6 are 40, 8 2 remainder, it was a 16, 4, 8 5 are 40. So 0.625. So 30 plus 0.625. Okay, now we can write, since here plus, okay, plus 625. What is this? Ratio, number of students per teacher. So the ratio, this is the ratio, 30.625. Okay, hence the mode of the given data will be 30.6. Okay, since it is a ratio, I am not writing any unit there, because they have, see in the question there was, the following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in the higher secondary school. So the ratio, what is the ratio of the maximum? So we can find out the most states. See, this is, you will get in the question, the most states or union territories, they have the student ratio as 30.625. Okay, that in the finally, I mean to interpret the result we can write it. So this is related to mode. So let us find out the mean. So we can write this 30.625. 30.625 is the mode. So I will write it here, 30.625 is the mode. Now let us find out the mean. Now class mark. Here the middle term. So 20 plus 15 divided by 2. So you will get a decimal point. So it is 17.5. Okay, next 25 plus 20. So 22.5. Next 27.5, (32.5), next 37.5, next 42.5. I hope you know the middle term. Okay, so after finding one or two, you can write this. Next 47.5, next 52.5. So now how many terms are there? 3, 6, 7, 8. So you won't get exact the middle term. So we can take any one, that is either this or this we can take. So I'll take this. Okay. Next column, this is the class mark, that is xi. Sorry. Now di, deviation, assumed mean. So xi minus a. So 37.5 minus 17.5 minus 37.5. 17.5, xi is 17.5 minus 37.5. So you will get minus 20. Next, 22.5 minus 37.5. So minus 15 you will get, correct? Minus 15, check. Then 27.5 minus 37.5, so minus 10. Next here, your minus 5, correct? 32.5 minus 37.5. So greater number sign, greater number will be having minus sign. So negative. So here 0. Next, of course, it will be positive terms. So here 42.5 minus 37.5. So 5, 10, 15. Correct? So check once again, minus 20, minus 15 and minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15. So the next one will be ui. Ui, how to find out? Di by h. H is what? H, I told you, h will be 5 here. In this case, h is 5. So divide this by the 5, the common multiple 5. So divide by 5, minus 4, divide by 5, minus 3, divide by 5, minus 2, divide by 5, minus 1, 0, divide by 5, 1, 3. Okay, now multiply. This is Fi, all know. So the next column will be Fi ui. 4 3s are 12, minus 12, 8 3s are minus 24, 9 2s are minus 18, minus 9 into minus 2, then 10 into minus 1, next 0, here this also 1 into 0, this also 0, so 0, 3 2s are 6. So we will find out sigma Fi ui. Okay, once you check minus 12, minus 24, minus 18, minus 10, 0, 0, 0 and then 6. Okay, now we will find out this, the negative terms 8, 12, 13, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So minus 64, minus 6, plus 6, minus 64 plus 6. So minus 58. So sigma Fi ui will be minus 58. So I'll write here minus 58. So this is sigma Fi ui. Now what about this sigma Fi? Okay, now 3, 4, 5, 8, 16, 16 plus 5, 25, 35. Okay, now sigma Fi is 35 here. So total is 35. Sigma, summation, sum of all Fi, that is sigma Fi, that is 35. And this is sigma Fi ui. Now you all know the formula to find out the mean. Mean, that is to find out the mean. C is equal to A plus sigma Fi ui sigma Fi into H. So A is how much? 37.5 plus your sigma Fi is minus 58. So minus 58 divided by 35 into H is 5. So here 5 ones are 5 sevens are, you can simplify 37.5 minus 58 by 7. Okay. I hope it is clear. Okay, now how much is this? Let us find out. 37.5, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. 56, so 2, 20, 7 sevens are 14. So I think we can stop here. 8.7. Okay, 8.7 is the decimal. Sorry. Here 37.5 minus, here 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 eights are 56, 2, so 7 twos are 14, 8.2, you can write 8.2, correct? 7 eights are 56, 2, okay, 8.2 something. So you can write 15, 1, 45, okay, 45.7. Sorry, here. Okay, let us calculate the mean. Mean is equal to, let us write the formula. Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi ui divided by sigma Fi into H. Now A plus A assumed is 37.5 plus sigma Fi ui is minus 58. Minus 58 divided by 35. Sigma Fi is 35 into H is 5. So here we can cancel. So we can simplify. 5 ones are 5 sevens are. So what we will get? 37.5 plus into minus 58 by 7. So here we can find out the decimal point for this. 58 divided by 7, how much you will get? So 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, so 8.2 remainder. See here, 58, 7 eights are 56, 2.0, 7 twos are 14, 7 eights are 56, so you can write 8.3. Okay, so 37.5 minus 8.3, or you can write 8.28 also, approximate. Now subtraction. So 17 So here you will get, you have to subtract 37. So here 29, 2, 9, 29. Okay. Since it is a ratio, I told you, we need not write any units. So 29.2. 29.2, that is the ratio. Okay, this is mean. So we got mode as 30.625 and mean is 29.2. So how to interpret? So you can write the conclusion there. Mean is what? The total average of the ratio of all the states. See, they have given the states ratio. So you can write like this: most state or the union territories have the student teachers ratio as 30.625. That is nothing but mode. Okay, and on average the ratio will be 29.2. So that is the conclusion. So you write the conclusion here. Shall I rub this and write interpretation? So you put the heading like this: interpretation. So they have asked you to interpret the results. Interpret the results. So interpretation, you write the side heading and you can write most state or UT have teacher student ratio is 30.625, that is mode, and on average we got I think 29.2 on average. That is the mean. Okay, most states or union territory have teacher student ratio as 30.625 and on an average the ratio is 29.2. This is the interpretation which you have to write in the end. Okay, because they will allot the marks for interpretation also. So better write the conclusion. So shall we move on to the fifth one, the last sum of this exercise, means sixth one for homework, and I am going to complete this exercise now. Fifth one, the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some of the top batsmen of the world in one-day international cricket matches. Runs scored 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, 5000 to 6000, 6000 to 7000, 7000 to 8000, 8000 to 9000, 9000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 11,000. And number of batsmen 14, 8, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1. Okay, when you see this here, the maximum frequency from the table is how much? 18, correct? 18. So the maximum number of batsmen have their runs scored is the number of batsmen, maximum number of batsmen have scored this run, that is 4000 to 5000. Okay. So let us write the question. Runs scored and number of batsmen. Three thousand to 4,000 to 5,000 to 6,000. 6,000 to 7,000, 7,000 to 8,000, 8,000 to 9,000, 9,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 11,000. Number of batsmen 4, 18, 9, 7, 6, 3, 1, 1. Okay, you have to find the mode. So, find the mode of the data. So, only you have to find out the mode. So, first let us see the maximum frequency is 18. So, this will be F1, this is F0 and this is F2. And the modal class is 4000 to 5000. Okay. Now let us write the formula. Mode is equal to F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So, modal class, you can write here, modal class is 4000 to 5000. Okay, next. So, F1 18, F0 4, F2 9, H 1000. Okay. Now, okay, let us find out what is L. Okay, L I have not written. L is 4000. Okay. Now let us put the values. L is 4000 plus F1 minus F0. So it is 14. I will write 2 into F1, 2 into F1 minus F0 4 minus 9 into H. H is how much? H is 1000. Okay, 4000 plus divided by 8 2s are 36 minus 38 into 1000. Into 1000. Okay. So 14,000 by 23. You will get 4,000 plus 14,000 by 23. Now let us divide this. So I'll take this place to divide. So please do it in the working column. Since you cannot see here, I am working out here. And 4 divided by 23. Now just see the number 23. Okay. Now 140 is there. So let us try with 6. 6 3s are 18. 1. 6 2s are 12. 13. 138. 2 0. So here one more 0 we should take. Next 23 into 8 za. 16.0. 23 6 za or 7 za also we can take, I think. So okay, 7 za. 6 za. Okay, we can stop here. 608.6. 6 za, 6 3s are 18. 1. 6 2s are 12. 138. 138. Here 2. 5 2 22. Again 0. 8 za. So I think we can take 608.7. So here 4000 plus 608.7. So when you add, you will get 4608.7. 4608.7 runs. Okay, runs, because this is runs code. So 4608.7 runs. So this is the mode, approximate. This is approximate, we can say. So hence the mode of the data is, you can write, hence the mode of the data is 4608.7 runs. Okay, I hope it is clear. And now you know how to find out the mean as well as mode. And in the next class, let us try to see how to find out the media. I hope you all know that in central tendency is there are 3 measures, that is mean, mode and also media. So we finished 2. So let us find out the median in the next class. Thank you.